Hello viewers, we'll be going over natural gas. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in negative MACD, but we're seeing signs of it converge there, and we're off of oversold levels with the RSI. And as we extend that to the 4 hour chart, we have dipped into negative MACD. If we extend that once more onto the daily chart, we remain in slightly positive MACD, and for now, the support will be where we have the 150-day moving average, this red line, which acted as support in the past as indicated back in December 28th, is now at the price of $2.39. And for resistance, that'll be where we have the highs made back in January 12th at the price of $2.89. If we were to test that resistance, that price movement to the upside is roughly around 10.7%, and to test support, that is around 8.6%. And as for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading UNG, and my position size is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $8.92, and that is this range here. My sell target for it is at $10.59. My stop loss is at $8.36. On the other hand, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $11, and that is this range here. My sell target for it is at $9.54, and my stop loss is at $11.46. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 53% chance for natural gas to climb between 0 to 10.5%, a 7% chance to climb between 10.5 to 21%, and to the downside, a 40% chance to fall between 0 to negative 10.5%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.